Hi, awesome Osprey kindergartners. I want to show you how you can use this slide to pick the holiday you want to learn about. So all you need to do to get started is to click on one of the holidays that you're interested in. So I'm interested in Valentine's Day. So I'm going to click here on my slide and it's going to go straight to Valentine's Day. And I've got tons of things to do here. So for every single slide, every single holiday, you are going to ask a question, you're going to learn something, you're going to create something, and you're going to write something, and finally you're going to share what you did. So there's 5 things, and it doesn't matter what you pick, because if you want to pick Lunar New Year, you have to ask a question, learn something, create something, write something, and share what you did. And if you want to learn about President's Day, it's the same thing. You have to ask a question, learn something, create something, write something, and share what you did. So if you say, Mrs. St. Andre, I don't know how to ask a question, not a problem. If you click where it says ask a question, it'll take you to my lesson about asking a question. If you need to know about how do you learn something, how do I do that, what is that? You just click right here and go to my lesson about how you learn something and how Mrs. St. Andre is going to show you how to use YouTube, PebbleGo, and Ask a Librarian to give you some help. If you want to know how to create something, there's going to be a video right here to help you create something. And if you want to know write something, hold on, there'll be a video, and you can also come here and go to my lesson about why it's important to create something before you even write. And then finally, if you want to know about writing something, because this is writing, you click here and I'm going to talk to you about the writing process of writing, revising, and editing so that your brain can grow super duper whooper big. So I hope you have fun getting familiar with these slides. If you have any questions, have your adult reach out to your teacher or ask your teacher about it when you meet with them. I hope you enjoy this writing process, this writing project, and I can't wait to find out what you chose to learn about. Have an awesome Osprey day.